Hello, and how are you? In this movie, we are going to look at HTML headings. My name is Muhindo Mubarak, and I'm your tutor. So let's get started. So HTML heading are titles or subtitles that you may want to display in your web page. So if you want to put a certain title or a subtitle in your web page, you define those titles and subtitles using HTML headings. HTML heading are defined with a h1 tag up to h6 tags. So we have tags which begin from h1 up to h6. So h1 tag defines the most important heading, the most important heading, and then h6 tags define the least important heading. So as the headings decrease from h1, h2, h3, and also the importance decreases that. So HTML, this is how HTML headings are. For example, we have h1, h2, h3, h4, and that's right. So this is the most important. And if this one is inside this, or this one is nested in this h2 tag is nested in h1 tag, it means that the h1 tag is the main heading, and then h2 tag is what? Is a subheading. If they're in the same division or in the same section, so one will become the subheading of the other or subtitle of the other. So that's how they are. So from h1 up to h6, h1 is the most important or the most biggest, and then h6 is the least important. So with that said, let's go into practicals and look at what is meant by HTML headings. So I'll jump straight to our code and then come here and open a new file, right click and then say new file, and I'm going to call this one number 6 and put underscore HTML headings. Okay, HTML headings. Okay, hope you can do that too. So I'm going to write here my structure HTML and select HTML5, press enter. Everything will be written for me. So here I can put the title, though I've not explained these things. HTML headings, like that. So this is what will appear in the top. Okay, so here I'm going to put now my content. Okay, my content will come here. So we say that HTML heading start with h1 tag. So for example, we can have let us say a h1 tag like that. Let me show you. Can have our h1 tag, just write h1, and then can say this is this heading 1. Okay, so the most important heading in your document is surrounded by what? By h1 tag. So let's go ahead and see how it looks like. So I'll come to our browser, which is here. I'm going to press Ctrl and O, and then select this file that we just opened, that just created. So you can see we're having our h1 tag there. So let's go ahead and create the second one. So you can simply say h2, say this is heading 2. Okay, so let us go and see in the browser how it looks like. Refresh. Can you see this is a little bit smaller than this one? Okay, heading 2 heading. So let us go ahead and duplicate this. So to duplicate, you just press Ctrl Shift D. No, not that. You press Ctrl, you press Ctrl and Shift, and then Alt and Shift, and then the down arrow. Okay, Alt, hold it, press Shift and hold it, and press then the down arrow, the down arrow. So I'm going to come here and change this one to h3. Come here, change this one to h3, and then here also h3. So it's going to be h4. Come and make sure that I open h4 here, h4, and then can put here h4. 4. Come and make it this one 5, and then this one 5, maybe this one 5, and then the last one is 6, and then this one is what? 6, and this one 6. So we're going to see how they're going to appear in our browser. Save. Okay, I've written in properly. Come and refresh. You can see the least sized one, or the least important, is having the least size, okay, and the most important is having the biggest size. And HTML supports from H1 up to H6. If you write your H7, H8, it will not do what? It will not be allowed. For example, if I put here H7, it's a sin. In fact, it's not existing. H7 is not existing. That is a sin. It's a crime, eh? So H7 is not there. It will not be. It will just be taken as H6. I hope. You see, it will be taken as nothing. Okay. So H7 is not supported. The list heading is H6. So you can use this one to organize your document titles and subtitles. Okay. So those are the ones that we call HTML headings. Don't just watch. Watch as you practice. Let us meet in the next video where we're going to look at HTML paragraphs. Thank you for watching.